Lauren, and developing tonight, a man from Fannett shot and killed after sheriff's deputies say he kicked in the door of his ex-girlfriend's house in LaBelle.
Tonight we have learned the victim, 46-year-old Buck Aubie, had a long and a violent criminal history. 12 News reporter Paris Kane is live at the sheriff's office tonight, and Paris, Aubie was supposed to be in court today.
Yes, Jordan, Buck Aubie was actually set to be arraigned today in Jefferson County for assault, family violence, and terroristic threat charges. According to a public data search, this wasn't his first domestic violence related offense.
These are things that happen to families regardless of race, creed, color, or how much money they've got in the bank.
Rita Drake is the clinical supervisor of crisis and intake at the Spindletop Center. She says domestic violence is a cycle.
If nothing's done, it just escalates. Can end up in suicide, can end up in homicide, or both at the same time.
Jefferson County Sheriff's deputies say when 46-year-old Buck Aubie kicked in the door at his ex-girlfriend's house in LaBelle Monday night, a fight broke out. Several people were inside the home on Kenner Road, and one of them shot Aubie. He later died at a hospital. While deputies haven't said if domestic violence was a factor in this case, Aubie had multiple prior charges on publicdata.com. Drake says in these cases, it's important to get help before things escalate.
When they do stand up, and they do have the strength to become that survivor, they save both their lives and possibly the life of the perpetrator because that cycle is stopped.
According to the National Coalition Against Domestic Violence, 1 in 4 women and 1 in 7 men have been victims of severe physical violence by a partner. They say the presence of a gun in a domestic violence situation increases the risk of homicide by 500%. Rita says for those who take that step and get help, there is hope to be found and the cycle can be broken. In fact, she's living proof of it.
My family had verbal abuse, and there had been some physical abuse. And it's one of the reasons why I chose to do what I do today, because I wanted to stop that.
For those experiencing domestic violence and hoping to get help, you can find resources on our website, 12newsnow.com. For now, I'm live in Beaumont. Paris Kane, 12 News.